Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Emerge Notary Agency. My name is Altavis, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for joining me. First, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification button down below every time I release a new video. Now let's dive into this new video. First and foremost, I am a notary and loan signing agent, and I facilitate numerous loan closings across the New York City areas. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a few steps for new notaries as you enter this new line of business. You need to meet the state's requirements and eligibility in the state that you reside at, such as reviewing test center guidelines, fees, etc., in order for you to prepare yourself to become a notary public. Step 1, you have to study for this profession. Study for the state that you currently live in and review that particular state notary public laws. Like any other skill or profession, you have to study and focus. Now, once you pass your NP examination and you have more knowledge about the key steps of becoming an official notary public within your state, you're able to start your journey to authenticate documents for the public at large. Through online courses and sources that you can gain your knowledge if you're looking to enter this industry. It's a great preparation for you before you take on any type of assignments or appointments, as long as they are reputable sources. Those of you who don't know what a notary is, now stay with me. It's not boring information, it's very educational as well. Here we go. What is a notary? A notary is a publicly commissioned official who serves as an impartial witness to the signing of a legal document. Document signings where the services of a notary are likely to include real estate deeds, affidavits, wills, trust, and powers of attorney. This is the main reason a notary is used to deter fraud. Some historical notary insights. According to the NNA, also known as the National Notary Association, notaries can be traced back to ancient Egypt when they were known as scribes. The first recognized notary was Tito, a Roman slave during the ancient Roman Empire. So being a notary is one of the oldest and distinguished professions up to this date. If you're getting any value in this video so far, don't forget to click the like button down below. I really appreciate it, and I thank you all in advance. Now let's get back to this video. Step 2, you must stay committed. Depending on which state that you live at, you have to be realistic. You may not have closings and appointments that might come in right away, especially if you're brand new to becoming a notary and a signing agent within this industry. Going from side hustle to side hustle, you won't see too much growth unless that's your end goal. So in the meantime, stay committed to the process and you'll see some type of results. Step 3, set goals with a strong mindset. Learn how to stay organized and communicate clearly with signing services that are reputable or doing direct clientele. That's if you choose to advance to the next level. I suggest that you research any type of signing services that you would like to facilitate closings for. It's very important you know who you're doing business with. And to study and learn this business from the beginning stages up until current stages of notary and signing agents business news. And as we always say in this line of business amongst my peers, you must always have gratitude. Well, that's all I have in today's video. If you gained any value today, don't forget to please share, like, and subscribe, and even drop your comments in the section down below. In the meantime, be good to yourself.